Now we shall start the new lesson, the three butterflies. Here now, children, is an interesting story about the three butterflies who always supported each other and were united. In this story, you will see how their unity works out. Children, be attentive. Now I read the story from the page number 2. There were once three butterflies, a pink one, a red one, and a yellow one. They played in the sunshine and danced now on this flower, now on that, and never grew tired. Now the explanation. Once there were three butterflies. They were pink, red, and yellow ones. They were all playing in the sunshine, flying from flower to flower in the garden, and were never tired. Next I read. One day it started raining and they got wet. So they flew over to a rose and said, "Good rose, please open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." "I'd be glad to shelter you, pink butterfly," said the rose, "for you look like me, but I won't shelter your two friends." Now, children, as I told you, all the three butterflies were going from flower to flower, means it's in the garden where there are different types of flowers. So one day it started raining and all three of them got wet. They wanted to take shelter to dry themselves. So they flew to a rose and politely requested the rose to open its petals so that they could take shelter from the rain. But to their surprise, the rose agreed to shelter the pink butterfly as it looked the same color as the rose, but not the other two. Now I continue reading from page 3. "If you won't shelter my friends, you needn't shelter me. I'll stay wet rather than desert them," replied the pink butterfly. Then they flew across to a sunflower and said, "Dear sunflower, open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." "I'd be glad to shelter you, yellow butterfly," replied the sunflower, "but not the other two." Now, in the previous paragraph, I had told you that the pink butterfly requests the rose to give them shelter from the rain, but the rose agrees to shelter only the pink butterfly as it has the same color as the rose. Now, in the next paragraph from page number 3, the pink butterfly tells the rose that if you are not going to shelter my friends, you needn't shelter me too, as I cannot leave them alone. Same as think if you have a best friend. Yes, you all are 2-3 friends. One of the friends invites only you for a party and not the others. So how will you feel? You'll feel bad, no? Is it? So the pink butterfly too felt bad. So it told the rose that if you are not going to shelter all three of us, you needn't shelter me also. Shelter means what? To protect them from the rain. From protecting from the rain, how we protect ourselves? How you protect yourselves? By taking an umbrella or wearing a raincoat. But the butterflies cannot do so. They go to the flower to ask shelter. Then they meet a sunflower, and the yellow butterfly requests the sunflower to shelter them from the rain. Again, the same thing happens. The sunflower only agrees to give shelter to the yellow butterfly and not the others. So the butterfly goes off from there saying that if you are not ready to shelter me and shelter my friends, you should not shelter me also. Now next, if you won't shelter my friends, you needn't shelter me, said the yellow butterfly. I'll stay wet rather than desert them. And so they flew away together. Now the sun, who was hiding behind a cloud, had heard everything. He was happy to see the butterflies so united. He quickly chased the clouds and the rain away. He beamed down on the garden and dried the butterflies' wings. Now they could fly from flower to flower and dance as usual for the rest of the day. Now, in the previous paragraphs, I had told you the pink butterfly asked shelter and was deprived by the rose. Again, the yellow butterfly asked shelter from the sunflower and was deprived by giving shelter for all its friends. And it tells the sunflower that if she doesn't shelter all his friends, she should not shelter the yellow butterfly too. Now, the sun was watching all this from behind the clouds. The sun was hiding behind, you can say. It was hiding behind the clouds, seeing and hearing everything, and was very happy to see the butterflies who were so united. Yes, I had told you that you should always be united. United means you should cooperate with your friends. Be ready to help them in any way and not to desert them, not to leave them alone in the time of difficulty. So, what the sun did, he quickly chased the clouds and the rain away and beamed down on the butterflies and dried their wings. So they flew and danced away happily again from flower to flower as usual for the rest of the day. Means they were very happy. The sun had dried their wings. Now you see, in the rainy season, your clothes, it will be all wet. Your mummy will be very angry. Whole day it's raining. Yes? But when the sun shines, all of a sudden, what she will do? She will put all the clothes out, dry it once and bring it inside. Isn't it? She too will be very happy that the sun has come up. There is sunshine outside. Isn't it? So same was with the 3 butterflies. They were very happy as their wings were dried. Now you too, if you get wet in the rain, you feel sick, isn't it? Your mummy will dry you by wiping you. Yes, but it is not in the case of this 3 butterflies. The sun had dried them and they were very happy, and so they danced from flower to flower again for the rest of the day. So now, what is the moral you can tell? I have told you, repeated in the middle of the story, isn't it? So the moral is what? That we should be united. Yes, united we stand, divided we fall. If there is unity among us, nobody can deprive us from anything.